My name is Brian Sasson. I'm the Senior Global Manager for Corporate Contributions at Procter and Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I have responsibility for the P&G Fund. Procter and Gamble is a huge multinational company. We sell about $80 billion worth of everyday essentials for people in need, or for people in general, like Crest, Pampers, Tide, Downy, products like that. And our foundation really helps bring those everyday essentials to people in need. So we try to find ways where we can uniquely add value through our foundation and through the products that we donate. We chose Foundant for a few reasons. We have had a previous online grant vendor for a number of years, for about 10 years. And when we were introduced to Foundant, there were a few things that really struck us. The training was just excellent. We knew that we were going to get really top-notch training from an excellent staff. Secondly, the customer service at Foundant has been nothing short of outstanding. We know that we're going to get answers right away whenever we have an issue or a question. And third, we really have found that the system itself is so easy to use that not only for our applicants but for our team, we're able to make improvements on the fly and really teach ourselves how to make those changes and grow the system to be more useful for people in and outside the company. The main benefits we've experienced from Foundant's GLM system include time savings. I know that we have been able to spend less time worrying about will the system be accessible, will it be working, and really have more capability then to spend time on strategic planning for the overall foundation, as well as improving the system. So not just living with kind of the bare bones of it, but also taking it to new levels. And I think those are two things we weren't able to do with our previous system. Foundant GLM has really helped us better manage our data by allowing us to not only have a better organized system for it, frankly, but also to access the data in a more user-friendly way. Our team is now able to really get into the data much more in depth than we have in the past with our previous systems, and allowed us then to pull out some of those key things we need to find. We're looking for trends all the time on where we can give, not only in the United States but around the world, and the Foundant system has allowed us to do that. So when we're looking at programs, whether it's safe drinking water in Africa or disaster relief in Asia or United Way support here in the United States, we're able to find nuggets and access that data that Foundant's allowing us to access so that we can help improve those programs. We learned about Foundant from one of our partners. We partner with the Greater Cincinnati Foundation in Cincinnati, and they are a longtime partner with Foundant, have had nothing but glowing and positive things to say about Foundant. And when we heard about the organization, we were interested. I will say we were a little hesitant because we had 10 years built up with a previous online grant vendor, and making a change like that is pretty significant for both our applicants and for our staff. And we just kept hearing so many good things about Foundant from the Greater Cincinnati Foundation that we felt like it was worth our while to at least have the conversation with Foundant, and we have been so impressed and so pleased that we started that process. Frankly, we probably are kicking ourselves for not starting it 5 years sooner.